You've heard of Bitcoin heists worth millions, right? Let's make sure you're not the next headline. Time for some advanced security tips. Cold storage isn't just a buzzword. It's an offline vault for your Bitcoin. In 2022, $3.8 billion was lost to crypto hacks. Cold storage is your best bet against this. Multi-signature wallets are like a double-locked treasure chest. You need multiple keys, say, from your phone and laptop, to open it. It's a layer of security that saved users from a $775.7 million hack last October. Time-locked wallets are your personal bodyguards. They only allow transactions after certain conditions are met, like a specific date or multiple approvals. It's like having a security detail for your Bitcoin. Decentralized exchanges don't hold your funds, reducing the risk of a massive hack. Just last year, centralized platforms like FTX and Gemini had issues, and even big names like Binance and KuCoin were hacked. So, why take the risk? Want to be a Bitcoin security pro? Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more fin-tastic tips.